Fire heat pump water heater. All-in-one heat pump water heater. A plus ErP Energy Rating. Top value is 3.56. 1 kilowatt power input can make 3.56 kilowatts energy into water heating. Large screen display. Have a coil exchanger. Can be connected with solar water heaters as backup power. 1 mm super thin flow path, lower resistance, faster flow speed, and higher thermal efficiency. Bottom coil heat exchanger with bigger contact surface to heat the water by whole tank for every 7 days. The ability feature will raise tank water temperature to 65 Celsius. Healthy water, healthy skin. Enjoy a smart thermostatic bathing anytime. There are more options to choose from.